Hey, welcome to the shop. I wanted to share with you how I made this bench. This was my first try of hand tool project. They told me that I should start with something small, but I'm crazy. So I didn't know how to use chisels or planes. I had to source them out and learn about them, learn how to sharpen. Speaking of that, huge shout out to Rob Cosman. You can check him out at robcosman.com. I bought some tools. He sells planes, but he does mainly. Not only he's really good, he also teaches hand woodworking. So I learned a ton from him, and I actually met him personally, and he actually showed me how to sharpen plane blades and chisels, and I'm very grateful for it. Anyways, back to the bench. This was my first try. I didn't have a bench or a base to build it. This was built in my basement. It took me a whole winter, and I did everything by hand except for holes and some stuff. I wanted the original bench. The way it's supposed to be, the legs actually go right through the top on a tenant. I was not able to do that because I was building this in my basement knowing that it was going to come out of there, so I needed to build it in two pieces so the top can be separated and I can move it out of my basement. So I had to modify that, and through the process of planing the top, which you buy cheap wood, this was all made with 2x4 and 2x6s. So after like a week of planing the top flat, I put it aside to build the bottom, and it actually warped because the wood wasn't fully dry. So I had to replane it all over again, and there was so much shavings that they keep piling up, and I keep pushing them to the corner. So that gave me the idea that I should put a hole in my bench and put a garbage can. So that's what I did. So when if I hand plane here, all the shavings can be just pushed into that hole, and they disappear, so you can continue working. So anyways, here's it took me several hours to edit this video, and it was like 250 something gigs worth of footage, but here it is. Enjoy, and remember, the only ones that don't make any mistakes are the ones that do nothing. That's what my dad used to say. And if you like the channel and you want to join, by all means, I'll see you on the other side. bye.